hope you are doing great today. If you don't know me, my name is Areli, and in this video I will show you a very easy and fast project on how to transform an area in your home and give it a new purpose. Today we will make a bar that you can use with benches for breakfast or when you have people over, or it can also be used as a shelf to decorate it with pretty things or books or shoes or whatever you like. To make our bar top or shelf, we will need a piece of wood. In this case, you can use the length and width of your preference. 2 shelf brackets. In this case, you can also choose the design and material you prefer. I chose these wooden ones with nice carving in the design. We will also need wood stain in the shade of your preference, polyurethane in gloss or semi-gloss finish to seal, and spray paint for the brackets. All these materials can be found at Home Depot or Lowe's. The first thing we will do is paint the brackets with spray paint. In this case, I used black paint and made sure to cover all the spaces on both sides and for the paint to be as even as possible. Once it dries, you may need a second coat. It will depend on the color you choose. Afterwards, we take our wood stain and paint a piece of wood on both sides and all the edges, making sure to follow the grain of the wood when painting and for it to be as even as possible. You will probably need 2 or 3 layers of paint depending on the intensity of the color you want. Let it dry completely and proceed to apply the polyurethane covering all the edges. This will act as a seal and will help protect the paint, make it easier to clean, and make it waterproof. We will need approximately 2 coats of sealant. Once all our pieces are completely dry, we can proceed to install them on our wall. We measure our surface and make all the marks necessary and make sure our shelf is centered and leveled. We installed the brackets with the help of a drill and screws, securing them very well to the wall. Then we place the piece of wood on top and center it, making sure it has the same remainings on each side of the brackets. Then we secure the bracket to the shelf with screws so that it's firm and steady, and our bar top or shelf is ready. In this case, I placed it on this wall in the living room and I put some bar stools for it to be used as a bar. But it's mostly a decoration than anything else because we don't really use it as a bar. I also decorated this wall with a gallery of family pictures, and I will teach you how to make it in the next video. And that's how easily you can transform a space in your home and give it a new use. I hope you like this project, and if you do it, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram that you can find on the screen so I can see it and like it and share it. And also don't forget to like this video and subscribe for a lot more content like this. I hope you are all staying safe and sound at home, and you know that as always, it was a pleasure for me being here with you today, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye!